Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, April 18th, 2001, 8 am. We appreciate this connection, the songs of the spirit. Its elements are well chosen and presented with finesse. This collection is like a crystal pearl lying atop the whole of these messages, some of which are not heartening. They are also so we wish for all, suffused with love for better times and sufficiently rewarding to encourage you in your spiritual journey. We often emphasize what constitutes a handicap in such a process. We know the relevant traps, pitfalls, hence our insistence on underlining some human traits. Nobody is perfect. If it were true, people would know about it quickly. Such an exception would be noticed. We only have one goal, one desire to help you as usual. How many hearts will these messages reach? When will they be known more largely? We do not know exactly. They exist, they have their own life, and time will give them the place they deserve. They are, as of now, at the disposal of some privileged people. What interest and reactions do they generate in them? After having come a long way with these writings, what is their assessment? That is the question. We hope, with the help of same words repeated tirelessly, that we have touched hearts and contributed to showing to them life in a different light. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. My dear daughter, we must carry on with this activity for some more time. All these messages will not be read in a row, hence, the necessity to often come back to issues already addressed by approaching them differently. Some Abhyasis will read them on a regular basis and will be imbued with them. Others will not feel this need and will read them sporadically. It does not matter, they will have them at their disposal when they feel like it. Sometimes heartfelt events make the spiritual process be considered in a different light, more thoroughly, and with greater motivation. Everything necessary for one's enlightenment can be found in our way when this appeal is strongly felt. Nothing can be forced in this area. Only the soul can express this intense need to accelerate its quest towards the Absolute. All the conditions must be met in view of this result. If our way is agreeable to Him, He will find the thread that will lead Him to the highest level of realization. In this century, many souls are awakening from a long sleep, and their aspiration to be connected to the divine is big. Many possibilities are being offered to them, Sahaj Marg being one of them. This way is simple. This fairness satisfies our faithful aspirants, and the effectiveness of the system is obvious to them. May they all be blessed. Babuji Maharaj.